Today I'm talking about the 2023 Nissan Ayria. It comes with a 63 to 87 kilowatt battery and dual motor single motor form, and range wise 216 miles to 304 mile EV range. Horsepower wise 214 to 238 horsepower in terms of the single motor, and dual motor produces 389 horsepower. And it's labeled with front wheel drive or all wheel drive. The trim levels include Engage front wheel drive, Venture plus front wheel drive, Evolve plus front wheel drive, Empower plus front wheel drive, Premier trim level, of course, and many more trim levels are available, including the Platinum trim level. Standard features include a 12.3-inch display and a touchscreen for infotainment and more. And then, of course, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, hands-free tailgate, Napa leather, and even more standard features. And of course, prices start from $44,485 up to $61,485. In terms of interior, I think it's upmarket and premium. The exterior is sporty and stylish. Overall, the Nissan Ayria is the class leader in EV compact SUVs, and there is no question about that. This is miles better than the Equinox EV, the Mustang Mach E, Tesla Model Y, the BZ4X and Subaru Solterra. So well done by Nissan. They have a winner in their hands.